Hi guys, in this section we will going to look at what is Redux before setting a Redux. So we will look at the Redux and we will start with the what is Redux. Redux is a state management library for JavaScript application often used with React. It helps us manage the application state in a predictable way. So we will use the Redux to manage the state of our application. And we have the quick overview of Redux here. First, let's look at some key things. We have store, the central repository that holds the entire state of the application. The only way to change the state inside it is to dispatch an action. Okay, we have action, which is the object that describes a change or an event in the application. It must have a type property and can have additional data. Okay, so let's look at this. Reducer is a pure function that takes the current state and an action, then returns a new state. It is used to specify how the state changes in response to actions that is dispatched. Okay, then the last thing we will look at is a dev tool. That is a set of tools that help the developers debug Redux applications, such as Redux Def Tool extension, which allow tracking state changes and action in real time. Okay, so we will look at all this in action, and what next we will do is that we will set up our Redux for our application.